How to buy Dangote Refinery share. If you want to invest in Dangote Refinery but do not know where to start, this video will show you the exact steps. I will break it down in a simple way so you can follow along and take action. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand what you are investing in. Before you invest your money, understand the company. Dangote Refinery is owned by Aliko Dangote and is one of the largest oil refineries in Africa. It is located in Lagos, Nigeria. The refinery focuses on refining crude oil into petrol, diesel, and other petroleum products. As an investor, you are buying a small ownership stake in the company. If the company grows and makes profit, your investment can grow too. Step 2. Confirm if shares are publicly available. This step is very important. Not every big company is listed on the stock exchange. To buy shares easily, the company must be listed on a stock exchange like the Nigerian exchange. Check if Dangote Refinery is officially listed and open to public investors. If it is not listed yet, you cannot buy shares directly through the stock market. You may need to wait for an IPO, which means initial public offering. That is when a company first offers shares to the public. Step 3. Open a stockbroking account. If the shares are available, you need a stockbroker. Here is what to do. Choose a licensed Nigerian stockbroker, visit their office or website, fill out an account opening form, provide valid ID and bank details, complete your KYC verification. Once approved, you will get a trading account. Step 4. Fund your trading account. Transfer money from your bank account into your brokerage account. Start with an amount you are comfortable investing. Do not use money meant for rent, food, or emergency needs. Invest only what you can afford to leave untouched for some time. Step 5. Place your order. Log into your broker's trading platform. Search for Dangote Refinery using its ticker symbol if listed. Enter the number of shares you want to buy, the price you are willing to pay. Confirm your order. If your order matches a seller, the transaction will be completed. Step 6. Monitor your investment. After buying, do not forget about it. Track company news, quarterly financial results, oil industry updates, and government policies affecting the sector. This helps you make smart decisions about holding or selling. Bonus tip. Think long-term. Large industrial projects like refineries are long-term investments. Prices may go up and down in the short term. If you believe in the long-term growth of Dangote Refinery and Nigeria's energy sector, patience can work in your favor. If you found this helpful, like this video and subscribe for more simple investment guides. If you have questions about investing in Nigeria, drop them in the comments. See you in the next video.